my best friend.
Drop the knife now.
Not every person reacts in the same way when getting arrested. Most manage to remain calm, but what happens if you try to fight the cops? Here are 3 cases on why you shouldn't try to fight the cops. On June 15, 2022, a distress call about a potential kidnapping led officers to a woman who claimed her son had been kidnapped by her ex-husband. However, things took an unexpected turn when police arrived at the scene. The woman had previously dialed 911, alleging no response to her calls regarding her missing son, yet officers had no record of these calls.
This is fucked up. I talked to you under your eyelashes. You're fucked up. 2 days ago I talked to her.
2 days ago?
I don't
She didn't even work 2 days ago.
Well, I'm stopping. I'm gonna go in my, and I'm gonna change. Yeah, I talked to you.
I don't know you. I've never spoken to you before.
2 days ago. I can pull up my fucking
We're
computer.
not working.
Well, I can show you 2 days ago, but she was not, but she's the one that responded.
I did not respond, ma'am. I've never been here.
I can promise you, she wasn't there 2 days ago.
I wasn't.
I
Sounds
don't.
a liar. She might forget. It's okay. And it's okay. But I don't need this shit right now.
When was the last time we were actually out here?
I don't think there's any. Check on too.
Despite attempts to calm the situation and understand her concerns, she became increasingly agitated, emphasizing her recent surgery, her son's absence for a month, and her frustration with the officers.
You don't have to fucking push me like that again. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
I just had
You're clearly going through some sort of distress here.
Yeah, I am. I just had a fucking surgery. I have not seen my son in a fucking month.
Why haven't you seen your child?
I'm dealing with my fucking attorney. It has nothing to do with that. But
So it's a child.
Don't ever fucking touch me again. Get the fuck away from me. And you too. I just can't deal with this. I can't. You're not invited. I already have everything. No, it's not funny.
The last time we were out here was April, ma'am.
It's okay. That's fine. I don't call citizen. I just need to, I'm not.
What medications do you take?
I don't.
You
I'm
don't?
dealing with my son.
Have you ever taken medication?
I have not seen my son in a month. Okay.
Have you been drinking today?
No, not at all. I'm fucking working. I'm dealing with fucking work. I'm dealing with my fucking son. And my son's dad will not even give him a fucking phone. He came back to his house so I can call him.
How old is your son?
He's 15.
Okay.
The situation became more chaotic as she resisted interaction, insisting on retrieving her phone to record the encounter.
Why are you saying that he's been kidnapped? Do you guys have a court agreement or?
A minute ago, you were saying that you were dealing with the court process. Is that like he
I have
has
a
the
question.
child waiting for that?
Are you asking me questions or is he now?
We're-
Because for 1 second,
Okay.
I'm going to stop and I'm going to get a
I'll wait
recording.
over here.
Hold on.
Do not.
No, don't
Okay.
push me that hard.
Do
I
not.
want to get a recording. Don't
You have to
ever
work hard.
fucking touch me like this again.
Listen.
You touch me hard. I want a phone
I
for
said,
a question.
You're not going to
no.
keep putting your hands
Stop.
in my face.
I'm not going to. I'm going to get
You
my
are.
phone. No, I'm not. He's
No,
hurting
right now,
me.
who's hurting you?
He just did. Over here. Him.
Okay.
He pushed me hard.
You
I
need
was talking to you.
back up and you won't get pushed again. Back up.
Officers attempted to maintain control, asking about medications or alcohol consumption, and trying to piece together her situation.
I'm talking to.
Back
don't
up.
talk to me like that, and
Back
don't
up.
talk to me again. Oh, because you
You're not
have
gonna-
authority, because you have eyelashes. Let's go talk about your backup.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
go find who you are, and you're
My
fucking.
name is Deputy DeLeon with the Indian River County
That's
Sheriff's
fine.
Office.
I'm sure.
That is exactly who I am.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
and
much
if you
for that.
run up on me one more time, you're gonna get pushed a lot harder.
By
Do you
the
understand?
way, I never touched you.
Okay.
By the way,
Do you want
do
to,
you
do you want to
understand?
figure out what's
He
going on with your
tashed
son
me
or not?
twice.
Do you need help figuring out
Do
what's
you
going on with your son?
understand?
Do you need help?
Back up your shit right now.
Ma'am.
Do you
Do
understand
you
what
need help
he
with
just
your
did?
son or not?
Do you want to help to understand? Yeah, I want 4 more cops out here right now because neither one of you are doing this,
Ma'am.
and don't ever touch me
You're too
again.
close. If I can touch
Oh,
you, that
no.
means you're too close.
No, I was walking over
Okay,
my house.
so,
you're not welcome.
Do you
can
do
go.
you need help with your son or not?
No.
However, her erratic behavior continued, escalating into physical altercations when she accused an officer of hurting her.
Well, guess what? I will call because
Okay, well if you call,
There's
it's
call-
us coming out. Okay?
then do your
Ma'am. If you call, it's us coming out.
ready? Then do your fucking job. Touch me again. Touch me again.
Ma'am.
Stop, please.
Back up.
Stop touching me. I just got a fucking surgery, and you're fucking touching me when I fucking can't fucking feel anything. Don't fucking touch me.
Resulting in a struggle and handcuffing. Despite attempts to escort her to the police car, she resisted fiercely.
Stop.
Hands behind your back. 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 Stand still. Hands behind your back. Stand still. Just stand still. Stand still.
What the fuck are you doing? Why the fuck would you do something like that? Stop! My left arm!
I know, let's go.
I've done 13 screws.
Walk with them. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk.
No, stop.
Just walk.
Stop touching me. You're hurting me. Stop touching me.
That's it.
Have a seat.
She's touching me.
Kicking an officer so forcefully that it endangered the officer's well-being.
Are you okay?
I just had a surgery. Am I okay? No, she keeps fucking hurting me.
Get in the car. Oh, get back.
Yeah, because she keeps hurting me.
You okay? Nicole, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're getting in the car.
She keeps hurting me.
Nicole, are you okay?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. I'm not bleeding, right?
No, I don't think so.
I'm good.
Okay.
I just
No,
gotta
I know.
breathe.
I know.
It hurts.
It's okay. I understand. It's okay.
This action led to the woman being charged with a felony count of battery on an officer, potentially resulting in a 5-year prison sentence in Florida. But what about a woman with previous charges in burglary, kidnapping, and battery? This time, things could end real bad. On March 30th, 2022, Brandy McGowan's encounter with law enforcement unfolded dramatically at a Florida Walmart. The episode began when reports surfaced of Brandy allegedly threatening people with a brick inside the Walmart premises. The officer, armed with his service weapon, faced a critical decision point.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife now! Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it now.
The arrival of additional officers provided a brief window of relief, allowing the initial officer to transition from his firearm to a taser, a less lethal means of subduing and disarming her.
Drop the knife now. Drop the knife.
God damn it! So y'all kidnapping me? You got it?
Eventually, the taser proved effective, allowing law enforcement to safely restrain Brandy and take her into custody. Subsequent assessments revealed that Brandy was under the influence of methamphetamine during the altercation, shedding light on her erratic behavior and reckless action, including charges such as burglary, kidnapping, and battery. Brandy faced severe repercussions for her actions, adding another charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon to her record. This charge carried a potential sentence of up to 5 years in prison and a substantial fine. In the next case, the police had to call a backup to manage the woman. On September 9, 2021, 2 police officers responded to a call from a Circle K convenience store. The request was to remove a woman who had fallen asleep inside. Initially approaching her gently and with friendly intent, they quickly realized it wouldn't be an easy eviction.
All right. Good morning. Hey, you okay?
Oh yeah.
All right. What happened?
I'm nothing. Sorry.
You just fell asleep?
I know.
I got you. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Say, you look like you were sleeping pretty good. Okay. Ma'am, what's your name?
Oh, I'm not fine.
Okay. What's your name, though?
I said my name is Emily.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Emily, what? Do you have your ID, ma'am? I just need to identify her. Is it in your purse?
I'm a police ID. You know that?
Ma'am?
I lost everything. I'm homeless here in Savannah, Georgia, Statesboro, Georgia.
Yes, ma'am.
And give you my name and number, social security card.
I just need your name and birthday. How about that?
Beatrice Emily Jackson. BGATR. 18X9.
What do y'all want done? Y'all just want her gone? Y'all want her CT'd or what? What you want to do?
What's her warrant for? Disorderly conduct?
Upon investigating, the officers discovered she had an active warrant in another county. When they tried to arrest her, she vehemently resisted, creating chaos in the store.
So, you do have a warrant for disorderly conduct, okay?
Out of Candler County.
I know that. It's disorderly conduct and assault to an officer when he kicked his chest cam. And I sat there and it's like this. I know I have a warrant, but they let me go when I left Toombs County. After Toombs County laid on me, kept me for a week, got the matter, got here. I done paid for the civil suit checks. I should not be on probation here.
I gotcha. Yes, ma'am. But you still do have that warrant that is active right now.
You want to transport me? I'll take you. Shit.
Yes, ma'am. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take you. We're gonna go
to
meet.
the jail and sit there. And then I'll be in prison. Because I'm finna fuck up Candler County because they should have never revoked me.
I got
They
you.
should have
Yes,
never
ma'am.
put- I ain't got to do anything else. If y'all want to fight, we'll fight.
No, ma'am, we're not gonna do that. Okay,
When I'm supposed to help y'all.
ma'am.
And y'all gonna start paying me.
Miss Jackson, we need you to
I'm
turn.
finna get in and put my stuff in your truck. And we finna go.
You're gonna put your.
Because I could call my mama. I could call my
You're gonna
daddy.
put your hands behind
and
your
it's
back
gonna be
first.
fucked up.
All right, Miss Jackson, you're gonna put your hands behind your back first.
I ain't got no
310,
weapons.
can you
I
head
ain't
this
got
way?
nothing. I can take off running.
Okay. Well, we're not gonna do that.
Yeah, we're gonna chase the night in the rain, barefooted and all.
All right.
I'm not going to matter and sit in the cell for hours on top of hours when I've been dropped from them charges.
I got you. That's something you're gonna have to speak with them
They
with.
transported me here. Magistrate court said I could not come back until I go to court.
She's getting
so
a little
tell me
rowdy.
about that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'm not
Now
gonna
I'm
argue with
finna
you.
call. I'm finna find out myself since you won't ask.
Okay. So.
I'm a first responder. I'm a firefighter. I helped y'all last night. That was some fucked up shit. Metaphor 314.
Okay.
So
Yes,
guess
ma'am.
what?
Despite attempts to reason with her, the woman continued to resist, even threatening to fight if they attempted to take her into custody.
Y'all gonna chase.
We're not. We're not doing this.
Man, I don't care. Y'all can stop resisting the rest all y'all want.
Let go of the bag.
No, it's my stuff.
Let go of
For
the
y'all to go through it and fuck with me all the time, I don't want y'all to have nothing of mine.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Stop
No,
resisting.
I already done been to jail and I'm not going there. Y'all got to shoot me in my damn head. That's all I want.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop fucking with me. You trying to make me hit the goddamn ground. I took y'all in peacefully. Now you gonna work.
On the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
The officers, realizing they couldn't manage the situation alone, called for backup.
310, step it up.
She behind step. When y'all could just let me get in.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Now.
Hell no. Get my phone, bro.
Stop resisting.
Man, I got this arm. I got this arm. I got this arm. I got the left arm. I got the left arm. We're good. Got it.
With additional officers' help, they finally subdued her and took her into custody. Even while being transported to the station, the woman remained combative, causing further trouble for the officers.
Hey, come on out.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Come on out.
Leave me alone.
You're
Leave
getting.
me the fuck alone. I'm not going to that bitch. You gonna fight the woman here. Tase me, motherfucker. I don't give a damn.
Huh?
I don't give a damn tase. That's why y'all fuck up that anyway.
What?
You fuck up.
All right, come on. We're getting in the car. Come on.
Go to the other side and push her.
I got it.
Two cops can't take down one. Should've sent my best friend.
They should have sent me.
Yeah, I would have went in the car with your kind ass.
I appreciate it.
At the station, the woman faced serious charges: 2 counts of battery toward law enforcement, 2 counts of obstruction, and interference with government property. Her uncooperative and confrontational behavior throughout the incident led to her receiving a lengthy 3-year prison sentence. If you enjoyed these cases, consider watching this video about everyday unbelievable true crime cases, and subscribe to the channel for more. See you there.